Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Bosch C7 car charger is not working the way it should, charging slowly, showing unusual behavior, or refusing to charge at all, it can quickly become frustrating, especially when you depend on it to maintain your car battery. Sometimes the Bosch C7 car charger may turn on but not begin charging, while in other situations indicator lights may seem confusing or the charger suddenly stops midway. This can happen because of loose battery connections, incorrect charging mode, power interruptions, or battery condition issues. Since the Bosch C7 car charger is designed with built in safety features, even a small connection problem can stop the charging process from starting correctly. The best thing is that many Bosch C7 car charger issues can be solved with a few basic checks before assuming the charger is faulty. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix common Bosch C7 car charger problems. Try these. Step 1. Check the power connection of the Bosch C7 car charger and make sure the Bosch C7 car charger is receiving electricity properly. Step 2. Connect the Bosch C7 car charger clamps securely to the battery and confirm the Bosch C7 car charger polarity is correct. Step 3. Select the correct charging mode on the Bosch C7 car charger for the battery connected to the Bosch C7 car charger. Step 4. Clean the battery terminals used with the Bosch C7 car charger to improve the Bosch C7 car charger connection. Step 5. Restart the Bosch C7 car charger by disconnecting the Bosch C7 car charger briefly and reconnecting it again. Step 6. Check the Bosch C7 car charger indicator lights and confirm the Bosch C7 car charger is charging normally.